I picked Lily Grace up from school on Thursday afternoon, greeted her in the playground, and her teacher was there waiting for me. And she said to me, "I'm really sorry, Christy, but Lily Grace," she handed me Lily Grace's cane, I should add. And she said to me, "I'm really sorry, Christy, but Lily Grace is no longer allowed to bring this cane into school." She was really apologetic about it, I will add. I was like, oh, quite shocked. Okay, why? And she said Gary, her mobility officer, had come in and said it was a risk of health and safety. So I asked to whom, and she then said the other children. So I came home, rang the school and spoke to our head, and just to ascertain where this had come from. She confirmed that Gary had considered it a health and safety risk and she could no longer bring it into school. To which point, obviously, I was completely incensed and flabbergasted, appalled, and all of the above to why a vital mobility tool would be, one, considered a risk, and two, taken away from a child that clearly needs it. Or as is stated in the risk assessment that I since then asked for a copy for, she has to be guided around the school with 100% adult support at all times. She must use the handrails where they're available, and she must walk carefully and considerately across wet paving stones, drains, and in and around school. So I don't know how many children you know of 7 that walk carefully and considerately anywhere, let alone with a handrail or wanting to hold an adult's hand at all times. We're trying to promote her independence. Her holding a hand then takes one of her hands away. Her hands are her eyes. And, you know, again, from myself, my other point of view, it takes one of her hands away, takes one of my hands away. We need them for other things. So it's not real for her. She doesn't want adult supervision. She wants independence, you know. Not one child wants to be supervised by an adult at all times. Okay, she needs to be overlooked and she needs to be, you know, monitored, but she definitely does not need to have her hand held at all times. Is that right?